Hi everyone, welcome to Standard Sensations. Thanks for joining me. I'm going to be doing myself a bloom. I am definitely addicted to practice on these blooms because I just love them. So my colors I'm going to be doing for my cell activators, I've got Golden's Teal and of course the good old Titanium White by Amsterdam. So those are my two cell activators for today. Put those away. And of course, my favorite little pigments, this little piggies, I've got Constellation, Blue Eyes, Lakeside, and two shimmer colors. I've got one's a Glisten and one is a Sequins. That's the colors I'm going to be doing, as well as a little bit of Dioxazine Purple. There we go. There's a quick run through of my colors. Sorry, I got to get these off my table because I've downsized my table a little bit, so I need to make room. Love my new craft table. It's actually two kitchen carts put together. I got a huge shelf underneath to dry my paintings. It's awesome. All right, put these colors aside for a sec. Put my house paint down and away we go. Now if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And of course all my regulars that keep coming back, thank you so much everyone. All your thumbs up, all your comments, it means the world to me. Please keep them coming. It makes my day. As soon as I get home from work, I always check for comments. So thank you again everyone. Greg's gonna hit some music. I hope you enjoy.
It's giveaway time again. We're giving away a Pour Your Cares Away 4-chamber split cup, a Swipe Your Cares Away swiper sheet, and a Hex leaky cup. All you have to do is like this video and leave a comment, and you'll be entered to win. The draw will be held on August 5th. Thank you. Now back to your video.
Ain't nobody here to tell me how am I to climb this mountain. Oh, stay right beside me. Watch me climb, watch me climb, watch me. Ain't nobody here to guide me. How am I to cross this river? Oh, stay right beside me. Watch me cross, watch me cross, watch me. Just watch me. High From sundown to sunrise, that line truth, that sober high, your last bet to buy. An open field, the wild horse, those four wheels if you're wanting more. But if you just wanna ride, I'll lay next to you. Let our bodies follow you, let my hands receive you. I'll lay next to you, light this bed on fire, gasoline to a light. I'll watch you burn bright. I'll lay next to you, I'll lay next to you. Give you space, let your dreams take flight. If you fly away, I'll hold you tight. If you fall, I'll lay next to you, I'll lay next to you. Give you space, let your dreams take flight. If they fly away, I'll hold you tight. If you fall,